name is Ashley Santoma, and this is my math problem on standard deviation from Chapter 6. Ballet Bar is a company that produces various sizes of ballet bars for dance studios. This is because there are different heights of dancers. Suppose that the heights of the dancers can be described by a normal model with a mean of 60.8 inches and a standard deviation of 1.7 inches. There will be three parts to this problem. Part A, what fraction of dancers are expected to be less than 55 inches tall? So, for these problems, we use this formula. Z equals the score minus the mean over standard deviation. So first, we're going to plug in the numbers from our information. So we are going to try to find Z first. So our Y is 60.8. Scratch that. Try to start over. Our Y is 55 minus the mean, which is 60.8. over the standard deviation, which is 1.7. So this calculation ends up to be negative 3.41. This is our Z. So now we have to go to our Z table to find the area. So you find negative 3.41, which is 0.003. And you change that to a decimal, and you end up getting 0.03%. Okay, part B. In what height interval should ballet bar expect to find the middle 80%? So out of 100, that means there's 20% left. So you find the 10%, and the 90%. And this is the area. So, you go to our Z table and find 0.1 for the area, which is this in the center. So 0.1, this is the closest, so that is negative 1.28. And then you go to 0.9. for 90%, and that is right here, and that's the closest, so that's 1.28. Okay, so now you're going to plug this into the formula, and that's your Z, because we found the Z, and you're going to solve for Y. So our mean was 60.8 over the standard deviation. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. So to solve this, you would multiply by 1.7 both sides, and then you would add 60.8 to the answer you received there. So that gives us our answer, and that is 58.6 and 63 inches with rounding. Alright, our final part. Part C. At least how tall are the biggest 20% of dancers? So, this means we are going to find the 80%, and you can use this graph to help you. So, we are finding 80%. So, this means we have to go to the chart and find the area for 0.8. So, 0.8 is right here. That's the closest, so that's 0.84 is the area. So, you just plug that in. So, well, that was the z. So, 0.84 equals y minus the mean, which is 60.8 over standard deviation. And once you complete that, your answer will be 62.3 or 62.2. And that completes my presentation. Thank you very much.